heading out on spring break in a couple days, so packing all this camera gear. Got more over there. Screw this architecture class stuff. Getting that equipment packed up. Getting ready to head out right after school tomorrow. So we got a gimbal, monopod, tripod, gorilla pod, triple suction cup mount, GoPro mounts. My Steadicam is in. Actually, my Steadicam's right there. Go scope, go for a pull right there. We got battery bank, shotgun mic. Below the shotgun mic, we got my H4n. We got portable speaker, GoPro stuff, a light, T4i, 75 to 300, 18 to 55, Loom Cube cables, 4-way USB outlet charger thing, a GoPro Hero 5, polarizing filter. Controller almost died and it started beeping at me just because of the battery was so low in it. So I'm gonna have to go charge that before the trip. But yeah, overall, works fine. Hell yeah. Last minute, let's open this shit. Okay, let me set this camera down. I'll be picking it back up in a minute with what I got. I got this little adapter in this cable so I can hook my mic up to my gimbal. I got some more micro USB cables. Yeah, micro USB. That will fucking focus. There we go. I got another 2 terabyte hard drive because I can never have enough hard drives. I got this for the gimbal because I need a new tripod, or I need a new tripod for my gimbal. I got this brand new Manfrotto mini tripod for my T4i. I got some new batteries because you can never have enough. And I also got this little Anchor battery bank because I need more battery banks. We are minutes away from heading out. Just charging a few things, taking some footage over. Vegas time, 5 or 6 in the morning, back home time. I'm gonna get some fucking sleep, except not for like 23 hours. So yeah, get you back tomorrow morning for another vlog.